Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the question number 4 of exercise 13.1, and in this question it is given that a machine in a soft drink factory fills 840 bottles in 6 hours. You have to find how many bottles will it fill in 5 hours. So it is given that in 6 hours the factory can fill 840 bottles. So if you want to find the number of bottles that it will fill in 5 hours, so first of all let's find how many bottles it can fill in 1 hour. So in 1 hour factory can fill, so we know that these two are in proportion. The number of time if is increased, so clearly the number of bottle will also increase, and if the number of time is decreased, means if the factory instead of 6 is working for 1 hour only, also the number of bottles will decrease. So because this is decrease 1/6 means 6 is becoming 1, means you have to divide, you must have divided 6 by 6. So clearly on the right hand side you must also divide 840 with 6 bottles. So this will be equals to 6, 1 times 6, 24, 0. So in 1 hour the factory must have filled 140 bottles. Now you have to find in 5 hours the factory can fill. Obviously in 1 hour, if the number of bottles that the factory can fill is 140, so in 5 hours it must fill 5 times the number of bottles it can fill in 1 hour. So if this is increased 5 times, so this must also increase 5 times. So this can be multiplied with 5, and 5 0 0, 5 into 4 is 20, and this is 700 bottles. So this is the answer. This is how we can solve. There is another way. There are two things: the time and the number of bottles. It is given that say in 6 hours 840 bottles can be filled. You have to find in 5 hours how many bottles it can fill. You know that to solve this we have to write the variable we have to find equals to, we have to write the value above this variable here 840. Now we have to divide, because this is direct proportion, and we have to write this 6 by 5, and this is 840. Now we know that when division is converted into multiplication, the number on the right hand side gets reciprocal. So this is again 140, and 140 is multiplied with 5 should give 700. So the answer is same in both the cases. So this is how you can solve this question. Thank you.